Welcome. Have a fantastic time here at the park.
I can already hear them chirping from here.
We are thrilled to introduce you to our newest residents. They may look like they have fur, but these are actually early feathers.
Wow, that was amazing. So gentle. Oh, wow, he actually took it. That is incredible.
The jaw actually rotated backward into the mouth, allowing it to shred and swallow its prey whole.
Oh my goodness, look at that thing. Yay! Whoa, look out! Whoa, hit it! It got it! That was incredible!
Look, Daddy, it's moving. The T-Rex is one of the largest predator to ever walk the earth. Notice the powerful leg muscles as she moves through the habitat.
Thought you might like this one.
Whoa.
Wow, a dinosaur. He's awesome.
Wow, I still can't believe a place like this exists. If you want to support the park and see more adventures like this, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe. It's incredible. The eye is actually glowing